Good morning, guys. Today is April 16. Today analysis is a little bit particular because we're gonna talk about confluence and the reason why I think we're gonna have a correction, and I think this correction gonna be anywhere between the last 2 weeks of April and the first week of May. So we have until starting today actually, but I'm more concerned about from 18 and 30 April 1830 and then May until May 10. Now the reason why I am expecting this is because we have confluence. Now let's go on a watch list that I have here. This is my short watch. Now in this watch list, I have many watch lists on my chart, and in this watch list right there, I place coin that are candidate for the next bear market, and as you can see, Doge is one of them. It's just because of the hype, but this is another discussion. So in this watch list, I have a couple of coins, Neo, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, XRP, and Dash, BSV. So these are coins that I think so far from their fundamental that any bear market, any major change of the trend will affect them heavily. So going to this, let's go start with Neo. And if you know my trading style, you know that lines and their color, they means something. And we're gonna stay on the three biggest time frame today. We're not gonna go on 4 hour, which is our main time frame for action. So for an example, on Neo right there, I got this line, the top on February 2018, and this is a major turnaround from the trend right there at $148. On the weekly time frame, we have this line right there, and at $91, and same line at $171. And on the daily time frame, the highest point we have from the last top right there is somewhere here. This is the highest close. I'm just gonna place it right there. Okay, at $190. At $109. So this is your confidence zone for Neo, from $146 to $190. So if we go back on weekly time frame, see, as you can see, we are getting very close to these zones. These zones are extremely bearish. The reason why they are extremely bearish is because these represent the last zone where most people FOMO'd on 2017, and they did not expect this big drop and never recover. So Neo is not the only coin to show this. We got Bitcoin Cash. Some of these line I haven't placed them yet, but this is the same study here, same structure. And these coins, if they don't make it through this confluence zone, they will never recover from this bear market of 2018. And that will mean that the fundamental of this coin is not strong enough to push them toward a full recovery in a bull market and eventually going higher, just like Ethereum, just like Bitcoin, because what happened is that at every cycle you need to have a higher price. So you have a bull market, and in a bear market we have a big correction, and another bull market you're supposed to recover and eventually go higher than the last top. And these coins, they are struggling right now, and Litecoin is one of them, and Litecoin actually did better than most of these coins that we saw. And Litecoin is sitting right in the middle of a confluence zone between $276 to $352.52. So this is another zone. If Litecoin don't make it through that zone, Litecoin will have to wait for the next bull and probably never recover at all, because the stronger this zone react, the more they react, the stronger they get. All right. So XRP, same situation. This is the same situation. So we have an analysis that we posted lately, and I told you that we are in a confidence zone between $1.99 to $3.3. This zone right there is a major bear zone, and if XRP has to make it on this bull market, XRP has to go through that zone, and this is gonna be a big struggling zone. So we might see lots of sidewaying and lots of this can get very boring if XRP gonna make it through it. If not, then this coin gonna wait for the next bear, and then we're gonna drop again all the way down. So this another situation. Now Bitcoin Cash is like far from the confidence zone. I don't know if it's gonna. I don't know if Bitcoin Cash will ever make it to $4,000, because of whatever happened, between the fight and this kind of. Look, there's a lot of these coin out there. They got lots of bad fundamental, and I'm probably gonna post a video about the difference between how the bear proceed and how the bull proceed. These are two different mechanisms. And we have the Dash, same situation here. I have a monthly line, a weekly line right there. This is the weekly line here, and then the daily is probably way higher. So here's my point. My point is that what you see here, this is just a short list of my short watch list. My point is that these coins, they are being traded between each other. They are being traded between Ethereum, Bitcoin, and all the major coin out there. What happens is that when all these coins are gonna face a selling pressure, this is gonna create a selling vacuum, and that will have an impact in the entire market. It's just simple math. If everybody is dumping their crop coin, their shade coin, this is gonna in fact affect the entire market, because some people have been waiting for a long period of time, to recover some loss. Eventually they will. So that's the reason why I think, in the next 3 weeks, we might, and starting today, because today is Friday and trend tend to slow down at the end of weeks. So in the next 3 weeks, we might see a major correction. So we're not gonna talk about change of the trend. We're not gonna talk about bear market anytime soon, because we need more data to confirm that kind of stuff. But it is wise to expect a big correction in the next 3 weeks. All right, guys. So that's it for today, and have a good one. Remember to post your question on Virtual Bacon. This is the only place I do crypto trade. I am part of many community, but in Virtual Bitcoin, it's only the place where I post my cryptocurrency trade and cryptocurrency analysis. I don't do it anywhere else. Okay. All right, guys. Take care. Have a good one. Bye.